Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage auto unlock function. In the beginning, let's go to NUKI app and go to settings. Scroll down and go to auto unlock. Switch this button to enable this function. Allow all the time, go back, allow, and here you can also enable lock after auto unlock. Consider device nearby, increase location accuracy, you can check status, and check auto unlock. Next, you can export settings. To disable this function, switch this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.